fly so soft, so small. A little bird can't fly at all. Don't be afraid, little bird. Healing comes with gentle words. Rest your wings, you're not alone. Soon you'll fly where you belong. With kind hands and a heart so near, Dr. Leo calms the fear, wraps the wing with love and care. Magic light is everywhere. Don't be afraid, little bird. Healing comes with gentle words. Rest your wings, you're not alone. Soon you'll fly where you belong.
Subscribe us and don't forget to like and comment.